Hey, you beautiful person. I just want to encourage you and say to you, stop chasing your dreams. Stop chasing your vision. And what do you mean, Johan? I think we've been taught to just run with a vision, push whatever, all of these things. But you've been working so hard at it to get your dream to realization, and you are pushing so hard that you'll miss everything that's right in front of you now. You see, a lot of the vision that we have, or those dreams that we have, involves money. Stop chasing money. Stop doing that. I'm not saying do not have a vision, do not have a dream. But when those things start consuming you, it becomes a problem. So I want to say to you that your dream must overtake you, and you must come to you. You must not force it. You must have vision, but your vision, you must come to you. You mustn't go and strive after it and so forth, because that vision will become a burden to you. It will become a burden to you. Again, I see that so many times, my own life as well, reflecting that. They are striving so much. I want to do this for the Lord. I'm going to build this ministry. I'm going to do this so much. And I go, whatever. I need to get the new thing. I must get this. I must get this person. I must do this, so that, and Lord, I've got to do this for the Lord. And, business-wise, I got to do it for business. And I got to do it for my kids. And I have to work harder. And I must get more money. And he said, but the next 5 years, I need to do this so I can whatever. So, and it becomes this thing that consumes you. I'm not saying you shouldn't have plans for the next 5 years. I'm not saying that. But you got to take a step back and stop, chasing down these dreams and vision. You're chasing it. You're chasing it. And you'll miss so many other beautiful things. When you start just resting, what the Lord started in me, He will complete. Lord, you placed this thing in my heart that you will help me to do that. It's in vain if the Lord is not in it. Just your faith, your strength, whatever. You're praying, you're fasting, you forcing those things to come to pass. It becomes a serious burden. That's something, I said this to people, that thing that is actually a blessing can become a curse. I want you to think about that. That thing that you are, that you've been given, or yes, you got this awesome thing from the Lord, but then you take over and you want to force it to come to pass. You force it to make it work and to make it come into being. Then it becomes a curse. It becomes hard. You start, becoming nasty. Your relationship starting to tank. It's a problem. So I say to people, please just have the balance in all of these things. It's awesome to have vision. It's awesome to have dreams. But stop chasing it down. Stop forcing it. Stop comparing you, or how long, Lord, more, whatever, and why am I whatever. Everything in due season. Everything. So I want you to just speak to your heart and speak peace to your heart, peace to your mind, and know that your dreams, your vision will come to pass. But stop chasing it. Stop pushing so hard. Just enjoy the journey. Enjoy these things that the Lord placed. Eternity was placed in your heart, yes, but enjoy it. He placed it there. It's not you forcing it to come to pass. I've done it. I pushed with ministry. I pushed with this. I need to be on more TV. I need to be more of this. I need to whatever. I need to do this or whatever. I missed the mark. It became a burden. What you do, you must not lose the joy in it, the excitement. Wow, I enjoy what I'm doing and whatever. And you might fail along the way and whatever, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna still fulfill my vision. I'm still gonna fulfill my dream. But it's not gonna overrun me. And if I don't get what I get today, whatever. Man, I'm just enjoying this journey till it comes to fruition. And then you get this dream, and then something else comes. You're never going to stop dreaming. You're never going to stop having vision. It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. It's not just a linear thing, or from A to B. It's A, B, Z, D, up, off, whatever. It's not just a destination. People, please see that. But again, I want to encourage you. I want to love upon you and say, be at peace. And stop chasing down your dreams. Just relax with it, okay? Bless you to the full till it overflows. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Bye-bye.